Alright guys, so we're going to do a little overview of Chief Architect. Okay, let me start with this. This is a floor plan designed with Chief Architect. Okay, this is the second floor. Here is the first floor for that design. So let's see the 3D of that design. So this is the 3D. You can see how beautiful this looks like. You know, looking perfectly okay. You can also do interior design if you want to. You can do interior design with the application. So, okay, you can also adjust your sunlight just like we've been doing over time. You can adjust the sunlight on your building, you know, and you can also render. Okay, so when you come here, you see ray trace. Ray trace is for rendering. You can render your drawings here. Alright, let me also take you through some other designs too. I think I have this. This was a renovation project I did. Okay, so you can see the 3D. Let's quickly look at the 3D of this design. Okay, you can see that. This is not a rendered view. This is just the normal 3D view from the software. It's a renovation design for police headquarters. Okay, so you can see how cool this looks like. Okay, so it's a wonderful application for 3D designs, even your architectural designs. It's very simple and it's quick. Okay, so that's that. I'm also going to take you through another design. You can record walkthrough for this, so it can look more like a BIM presentation. Alright, so let me take you through another one. This is another more or less like a resort. So let's see the 3D for this. Okay, this is the 3D for this design. Let me take you quickly through it. It's more like it's a resort. Okay, it's a resort project. So you can see a swimming pool, a pool bar, just like you're seeing here. There's a pool bar. Okay, there is a pool bar. This was done with Chief Architect. Okay, we have place for your barbecue and whatever. And we also have, this is the main hotel building. All of this was done with Chief Architect. Then we also have that main building. I can take you through all of this. Don't forget you can adjust your sunlight, okay, so you can see details. So let's quickly look at this. This is another hotel attached to the previous hotel. Let's adjust sunlight so you can see it clearly. Okay, I think I'll just stop there. Alright, so you can see this. It's looking good. Okay, it's an hotel building, just like you've said. Okay, and let me take you to the admin building. Here is the admin. So you can use it for even your interior designs. Okay, you can also use your architect for your interior designs. So let's just look at a couple of designs. Alright, so I think we've been able to see all of these designs perfectly, and if you want to get professional with this software, you can hit me up. Okay, you can contact me so we can deal. Alright, so you can also rotate it, you know, just to view every angle of your design. And just like I said, with this you can do interior. Let's say I want to do a quick interior for this building. Okay, I can just come here. I need some chairs, so I can just type chairs. It's gonna load for me. Just a little time. Okay, so you could see different chairs, different seats for you. So I'll just pick some stuff randomly and just place inside. I'm just doing a random thing. So this is for the dining. Okay, let me pick that. Let's keep that. We're gonna also look at that. But let's quickly look at the dining. Okay, so you come to camera, pick your full camera, then just look inside the dining. Let's see how the dining looks like. Okay, so you see that. Okay, you can see the dining from where we snapped. Okay, so you can do a lot of interior. Okay, you can do a lot of things with this software. It's simple to use and it's user friendly. Okay, let me just take this like a round table. I'm just placing this for that's too much, it's too big for that area. This is for a conference room. Okay, that's for a conference room. So you have a lot of customized items you can just pick and put in your design. Alright, so that's all for Chief Architects. So Chief Architect and what do they call the other one? And Home Designers Pro, they are almost the same. They have almost the same feature. Alright, so we'll stop there for now.